Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Turnitin to assess using SACE performance standards. First, you need to create a spreadsheet with the SACE performance standards in a particular layout as shown in the video. Across the top of the spreadsheet are the 5 grade bands, and down the side of the spreadsheet are the specific features. Each specific feature should be labelled and have its own row of descriptors as shown. I won't go through how to set up the spreadsheet in this video, but I would always be happy to make a template available or help you create your own. Next, you need to log in to Turnitin and select the class you wish to create a SACE assignment for. Once in the class, click on the green Add Assignment button on the right of the screen. Now select Paper Assignment. This is the option you will choose for the first draft of an assignment, or if you are only allowing students to submit their work once. If you are marking students' drafts through Turnitin and then requiring them to resubmit the final version of the same assignment in Turnitin, you would then select Revision Assignment for the subsequent version to prevent students' work being penalised in the originality score for being similar to their draft. Now click Next Step. Give your assignment a title. Mine will be Energy of Macronutrients Practical Report. When using SACE performance standards, there is no need to set a points value as work is not assessed numerically. Leave this field blank. Set your start date, which is the date the assignment becomes available to students, due date, and post date. The post date is when students can first access feedback on their assignments, so depending on the length of the assignment and your marking schedule, this may be 1 to 2 weeks after the due date. Now open the optional settings by clicking the plus button. Choose whether you will accept submissions after the due date. I always allow this as student assignments submitted after the due date will still be clearly stamped as late, and you can then choose how you wish to penalise the lateness. I leave all of the other settings the same. If you wish to understand more about any setting, simply click on the small blue question mark for more information. Scroll down to Grade Mark to attach your assessment rubric. Click on Launch Rubric Form Manager, which will open in a new window. You can see I already have a previously loaded rubric available. However, if it is your first time, the screen will be blank. To import your performance standards, click on the small blue upload arrow in the top right-hand corner and then select the option Import. On the left of the import screen, you can find out more information about how to create rubrics. As I already have one ready to go, I click on Select Files to open my computer file directory. Now I simply need to navigate to the spreadsheet set up earlier and click Open. It is important that the file name of the rubric has less than 38 characters, or it will fail to import and an error message will appear. Hence why my file name has had all the spaces removed. The rubric will appear in the original window and is fully editable. For example, I like to annotate the specific features with more information about how I will reach my assessment decision for that feature in this assignment. For example, I could type in decision based on identifying safety risks in the risk assessment for the specific feature I3. Down the bottom of the screen are 3 icons, a percentage sign, a pen, and a 0. For SACE performance standards, I keep the 0 setting, which means the grade bands do not have a numerical value. For other purposes, you may like to play around with weighting assessment criteria differently using the percentage button, or assigning points values to each grade band using the pen. Once you are satisfied with the rubric, hit the Close button in the bottom right-hand corner to return to the Assignment Settings page. Check that your required rubric is showing in the drop-down menu and you are done. Hit Submit to finish creating your assignment. In a subsequent video, I will explain how to use your rubric to assess and comment on student submissions.